In this video we're going to be looking at etxcapital.com. ETX offer a decent range of markets with a good selection of equities. You have around 5,000 global markets to choose from when trading with ETX. Markets ranging from indices, currencies, commodities, bonds, interest rates, and a number of ETFs. They also offer an impressive 50 forex pairs to trade. Margins are low and dealing spreads are competitive, particularly on most currency pairs and on major indices in hours. ETX Capital was only established in 2007, but through its many previous incarnations, the firm traded previously as Trade Index, it has been around a long time and has plenty of financial services experience. In 2014, ETX acquired its platform technology partner, Aerial Communications, which means that it can now offer a unique proprietary trading platform that isn't available anywhere else. ETX Capital offer both web-based and mobile platforms. The web platform features a trade-through charting, one-click dealing, fast execution, reliability, and automated alerts, and multiple watch lists. ETX Capital offer 4 platforms to choose from: ETX Trader, ETX Trader Pro, ETX MT4, and ETX Binary. ETX Trader is a user-orientated platform to help beginners get started. They offer low spreads and there's a limited risk since all trades come with a guaranteed stop loss, which basically means you can never lose more than your deposit with an ETX Trader basic account. Now, there are downsides in that obviously that with a basic account it comes with much wider spreads, but it does have a simple user-friendly layout, has fixed spreads, and there's limited risk, so you never lose more than your deposit. Next we have ETX Trader Pro. The ETX Trader Pro platform is just like the ETX Trader, but designed for traders with larger accounts. It offers variable spreads that are based on market prices. The product range is the widest available and covers most asset classes. The platform is web-based, so can be accessed anywhere. It comes with some fairly heavy-duty technical tools and order types, and I think this will be the best choice for most traders. So ETX Trader Pro is fully customizable, advanced charts, trade directly from the chart, fixed and variable spreads starting from 0.7 points, and over 5,000 global markets. There's fast execution and one-click trading. Here we have ETX MT4, the most widely used trading platform in the online trading world. The ETX MT4 is suitable for traders who want to automate their trading activities with the use of expert advisors, or known as EAs. The MT platform is mainly for Forex, but not exclusively, as there are other instruments included such as commodities, precious metals, Brent crude oil, gas, US and German stock exchange companies, and major stock exchange indexes, such as the UK FTSE 100, the Nasdaq 100, the DAX 30, the S&P 500, and many more. So with the ETX MT4, we have an automated trading via expert advisors or EAs, 50 built-in indicators plus access to over 1,000 and more of indicators and expert advisors, comprehensive charting with multiple chart display, and fast execution and one-click trading. And finally we have ETX Binaries. ETX Binaries is a fast-moving trading platform for binary options. This is powered by Markets Pulse, with selected equities now available to trade. This platform will need its own individual login separate from the Trader Pro login, which can be applied for by clicking the binary option on the form page of the new site. In early 2016, ETX Capital launched a redesign of their entire website and platform. The color, as you can see on the website, changed to a random olivey brown color, but nothing much has changed on the trading front. On the plus side, they haven't messed up with their web platform too much. It's still pretty simple and straightforward, and now they offer the functionality to open a demo trial account, which is a huge bonus because not many companies do that these days. The sign-up process is very simple. We decided to sign up for ETX Capital's Trader Pro platform. Signing up with ETX Capital takes around 2 minutes. After clicking the Get Started on their website and entering your email address, ETX Capital redirect you to their ETX Trader Pro platform. From here you can begin demoing the platform, or to start trading you can simply fill out the short 3-step sign-up form. Now, depending on your circumstances, you will then either be automatically redirected into your live account, or your account will need to be approved manually. Now, deposits are through Visa, MasterCard, or debit cards, Skrill, Nutella, or wire transfer. Now, they don't charge any fee for deposits or withdrawals, but there is a minimum deposit of $100. So here we are, we've logged into our ETX Trader Pro account, and immediately it seems very minimalistic, and in lots of ways that's to our advantage because we want to see the important things relating to our account straight away, because that's kind of what we want to know. We want to know what our exposure is, what funds we have available, and where our trades are currently, and what's going on in the market as a whole in terms of the most common trades that are being made right now. Now, that doesn't mean to say that you're stuck within this look, and in fact many trading platforms these days allow you the ability to change the look and feel of the tools in which you use, and ETX Trader Pro is no exception to that. In fact, they do provide you 7 pre-configured layouts that allow you to get sort of where you want to very quickly. So we have the very basic layout here, and then there's 3 other basic platforms. This one I kind of like because we have what we had before, but we also have the ability to quickly look at charts and so on simply by dragging and dropping into this window. Basic 3 changes quite a bit, but we have some quick options for making trades on the left hand side, but we have the very familiar window on the right, and then we have 4 advanced options. It may not look that advanced actually. The first one is very similar to the one we had previously. Again, we've got a drag and drop, and basically what they're doing is that we have more ability to make changes within these, and the tools and options that they're showing us are slightly different. Here we have some very quick trades that we can make on the left. We've got the charting tool that we can do on the right. So it's pretty good. We've got also a complete order book that we can see, open positions, popular markets, and so on. And then finally we have the I think this one's a little bit messier. We have the option of 2 charts. Just see the bottom of the other one here. So we can sort of drag 2 charts in, different ones. Allows you to monitor different trades, I suppose, and to 2 different sort of trading markets to see if there's a correlation. So that's the basic setup. You do have the option of creating your own, so you can create your own layouts based from a very basic blank canvas, or you can of course create a whole new one from the current one, and then we can you can have different layouts for, you know, forex or binaries or spread betting or whichever you want to do. And in fact, that's one of the cool things with the ETX Trader Pro platform, is that it allows you to create a good number of your own layouts to suit whatever trading purpose you're looking to do. Now that we have our trading platform how we want it, we're just going to use the very basic layout here. We need to know how to make a trade. Now we're going to make a very quick and easy trade on the Euro US dollar. Now we have various quick options here. We can place a trade or place an order, which basically means we're looking to place a trade at a later time, or we can just click the I button and get a lot of information on that product. As we can see here, we can either place an order. Now this is dependent on the account that you have. If you have a very basic account, you won't see a lot of these options. But if you have a Trader Pro account, it gives you the option to place trades based on certain criteria that you want it to hit, which is hugely powerful. But in this instance, we're just going to make a trade right now because we can see based on the euro US dollar, we'll use a 15-minute, and we can say possibly reaching a point of resistance, could be, or it could be breaking through that resistance. So what should we do? So let's just say we can see that there's some strength there. We would obviously use a much larger chart and have a good old think about it, but for this demonstration we're just going to buy. So we've made the trade and it's told us our reference number, and as you can see our trade is right there at the bottom and we're doing okay. No, we're not. So there's always the spread that you have to pay for before you enter into any profit. So don't be alarmed if you see that, you know, as soon as you make the trade you're already losing money on that trade. Now to close a trade is very simple. You look at your account and you see the ones that are open and you simply go close, and we close. If we move that up so you can see that, we close and then it gives us a close. Trade was placed successfully because it's another trade to close the trade as well. You also have to make another trade to close that trade. And that's how you make a trade in Trader Pro. For novice traders, ETX Capital offers free education, including a selection of seminars, live webinars, and advanced education courses from an independent trading company, and monthly mentoring sessions where traders can discuss current and future trading strategies. ETX also offer email and telephone support. Each new account holder will receive their own personal account executive, but there is a minimum bet size of 50p, and ETX Capital offer clients the opportunity to trade with much smaller risk levels. Now, ETX Capital have a reputation for offering very good introductory bonuses to new account holders, which are usually based on the amount you deposit. The more you deposit, the bigger bonus you get. To check what bonuses are currently available, please visit etxcapital.com for the latest offers. ETX Capital have a new client Sentimentmapper which is being integrated into the trading platform as we speak. The client Sentimentmapper is available to ETX's English language websites and will allow the group's foreign exchange, FX and spread betting clients to gain perspective into particular products or instruments. More specifically, this will include the observable access to any cues or patterns of products that fellow traders have utilized, such as detailed sentiment indicators. Users of the client Sentimentmapper will find a familiar interface from which to work with, including general trading sentiments in such linear terms as bearish and bullish. The extended capability is important for traders as individual market participants can observe what the general consensus or trend is for a given instrument, i.e. gold, crude oil, euro, US dollar, etc., and dictate their own strategies based on this analysis. As with every broker, there are downsides. ETX Capital is not exempt from that. Customer care is average. Clients have sometimes reported a lack of satisfactory responses to their queries, and they don't offer a live chat option, which is a must for every broker. The platform has been reported to slow down at times of heavy trading, e.g. non-farm payrolls, etc., and it can be hard to get into and out of positions during such times. Also, their finance interest charges for holding positions overnight is higher when compared to others such as Aondo. This means that it can get expensive to roll over trading positions from day to day for weeks on end. Now, although ETX Capital are charging an activity fee, it is only after 120 days of inactivity, and you will get a refund for 3 months worth of fees when you start trading again. Now, if you're an active trader, that's no problem, but if you do plan on only making, say, at least one trade every 120 days, you maybe have to face an inactivity fee which varies from country to country. ETX Capital does not allow scalping, which would make them unsuitable for traders that incorporate these methods into their trading strategy. So to conclude, perhaps ETX Capital can be thought of as a no-frills version. Fast and easy to use online spread betting platform with average spreads. The overall experience with ETX Capital has been satisfactory so far. The security of funds is one of the most important things for a trader, and this provider ranks high in that respect. Being based in the UK, regulated by the FCA, and the funds are kept in segregated accounts. They offer competitive bonuses and a variety of accounts and platforms. ETX also offers a very wide range of markets to trade, including 50 currency pairs, multiple indices, and a comprehensive range of European and US equities and ETFs. They also provide markets on bond and interest rates. We recommend using the ETX Trader Pro platform as we believe it offers the best choice with tight variable spreads that are based on market prices. The product range is the widest available and covers most asset classes.